Hello guys, this is Frank, the Anointed FX Academy, and this is Elliott Wave, Advanced Elliott Wave Weekly Analysis for every currency pairs, indices, metals, and crypto. So before we start, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe and also click the bell icon that so that you will always get our video whenever we post them. And we also have a Telegram channel. You can get a link to our Telegram channel on the description of this video. Of course, if you want to get our VIP signals is available, contact contact at the description of this video below. Guys, this is a disclaimer, guys. This channel is for only educational purposes only, and all the videos, presentation, and writing are only for educational purposes and are not intended as investment advice. You can implement this while trading at your own risk after consulting your financial advisor. So that is the disclaimer on this video. So let's begin with DSY. Looking at DSY, you can see how DSY have moved from here to this very low. So what are we expecting? If you count it, you can see that it's still a downward movement still waiting. So I'm expecting an up move. Dollar is going to be strengthened by next week towards here and then crash. That is what I am expecting in DSY, dollar index. Euro US dollar. Euro US dollar. If you have been following this channel before today or before now, you can as well know when we analyze what we analyzed last week concerning this Euro US dollar, and I traded it from here to this very point. Of course, I saw that it's going to come up here, break this up before another correction. So now you have break it up. What I'm expecting again now is a correction down toward this very point before another up will come. So that is what I'm expecting by next week. So Euro US dollar expected to be downward movement. There's going to be a bearish movement next week. So expect it from Euro US dollar. Okay, this is Great Britain US dollar. Can see I analyze it. I expected it to I didn't enter the trade though. I expected it to fall from that place because another block there. But it's moved past the other block. So what am I expecting? Very simple. I'm at it to fall. You can see where I mark already. This is B. You can see the B. So I'm ready to go drop towards C here before I can confidently buy. That is what I'm expecting in Great Britain, US dollar. AUD, Australian dollar, US dollar. Oh, this pair has been somehow this very area. I've not traded this pair because I started trading it when it dropped this very downward from here to here. So I like to keep an eye on it. I expect it to come to this very point and drop again before buying. But looking at it now, I will just be watching it. I'm neutral on it. I'll be watching it next week. But what I expected in it is a drop by next week. That's what I expected. But I won't trade it because it has not been cleared very much for me to trade. US dollar, Japanese yen. Wow, one of my favorite pair. Favorite pair. I saw this last week that is going to be a wave 4 here and then a drop. And that is exactly what happened. If you want to verify this, go to my previous week video. You will see it. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting an up movement towards here, even to this very point. This very point. It may take 2 weeks to come there, but hope next week. Today is Friday, being 11th of April. So by next week, which is I think 14th of April, you will see it going up by Monday before any drop. That is all for Japanese yen. That is the pair I will focus on because yen pair has been obediently obedient. So I love yen pairs. They are doing wonderful this time around. Okay, this is US dollar Swiss France. So we expect a up move by next week, a correction that will come towards this place before another drop will come. That is what you will expect from this pair. Okay, this is a Great Britain Euro Japanese yen. As I told you, yen pair has been obedient and they have been faithfully obedient. Of course, I trade this pair. If I go down to lower time frame, you can see my entries. So this is an impulse, it's a correction, and it's another impulse I'm expecting. So what am I expecting? By next week, it's going to be an up movement continuously to this very point. From there, I will look for sell drop. So, but for now, I will be looking for buy till you get to that very area before I talk about sell. The same goes here. But that's whether this one to reverse here, but it came and deep inside. But looking at it, you can see something there. So next week, expected it to come up, come up, come up to this very point. From there, I will say that is all for Great Britain, Japanese yen. Wow. Of course, if you watch my video concerning this US30, NASDAQ, and what did I again? DAX, three of them. I did a video for three of them last week, Saturday, being the 11th, I mean, being 10th of, no, about 6th of April. So go and check my channel, you'll see the video. You can see that is exactly what is playing out. I told you guys that this thing falling doesn't mean anything. And they're going to come touch the 50% and come back. And that's the 50% touch here. You can see that 50%. You can see that support and a bounce back. So what am I expecting next week? I'm expecting a correction. It cannot just be going. It will come back to give us a very good entry. At least here, this very line, this very place. That is what I'm expecting a correction. Then boom. So that place will be my entry. I have not entered it yet. I will wait for it to give me a correction. Then I will now ride it to up. The same goes here. This is NASDAQ or NAS100. You can see it touch the 50% again. Touch the support. So that is normal for market. Markets must correct after going up for a long time. It must correct. So it touch here again and then goes up. What am I expecting? I expect it to come up to here and give us a correction and then boom. That is what I am expecting in this pair. This is German 30 index. And you can see the same thing. All of them did the same thing. 50%. You can see it. It touched the 50% again. See the 50% was well captured by this German index. You can see that clearly. See the 50%. So what am I expecting? Bullish is 100% bullish. So this German 30 it may not correct again from Monday. If you close up like this by Monday, it will be going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. You will not see a correction. Reason because this place has been liquidated. This place has been liquidated down So there's high possibility that it will not come down to here again before give us. It will just be flying up directly. So I'll be looking out to see where I can enter by from there by Monday. This is wow. This is Australian dollar Japanese yen. And you're looking at it, you can see where the market is going. It's going up. There's no two words about this. It's going to come up here, break up here, going to break up here, give us some correction, then come up again to here or towards here and then drop. So that is what I'm expecting. But that one should not be your focus now. Your focus should be only on what is happening next week, which is this up move. It's going to happen next week. Going to be very sweet and good. So don't miss out. Join our Telegram channel so that you will not miss it out. Good. Good, 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 good. Good is as we wanted. Good has been so strong this year. I have not been like any other year. Very, very strong. So what am I expecting? What is happening in good? I expected gold. I expected gold to give me an B and a C before going up, but it chose to go up anyway. So what am I expecting in this wonderful gold? Number one is I'm expecting it to come, break this low and come here. That's number one expectation. Then number two expectation I'm seeing there a correction towards here and boom. That's what two things that may happen in gold. As two things that's likely we will see in gold by next week. But looking at the nature of this gold now, the bullishness is too heavy and too strong. I favor this kind of correction towards the end and boom. This is one I favor most. This one I see the most. But this can be possible coming here before going up. But that's the first one is one I see most likely to play out. I hope you understand, guys. Silver, of course, silver is safe. No matter how you paint it, silver and gold play likely the same way, but they are not the same. Look at silver now. You can discover that silver have some potential to drop. So what am I seeing silver? I'm seeing a sell towards there. But looking at it, this place does not. You have break this place. You are taking away liquidity here. So what am I expecting in silver? Just coming up here and then give us a big drop. Then from there buy. That is what I'm expecting in silver. But markets decided to do anything like because commodity markets, this metal and commodity, there's the way they play. They don't play like what do they call it? Um, they don't play like currency market. They are not playing the same way. Okay, this is Bitcoin. Of course, you know that Bitcoin every Monday, Bitcoin collapse. And looking at now, today is Friday, and Bitcoin is going up to my entry position where I wanted it to come. Let's take a look at it. This place I mark is place I expected Bitcoin to approach there before selling, and it's coming there. Normally we can normally go up on weekend, drop on Monday. So expect a drop by Monday morning from BTC. I'm not doing Ethereum. Let's go to Canada, Japanese yen. Okay, that's the one of my favorite pair. The yen pairs are doing great this time around. The yen pairs are doing great. So focus on yen pair. Looking at Canada Japanese yen, I saw a lovely bullish trade coming. You can see a five wave structure here. One, two, three, four, five. And a very good correction A, B, C. And here have a double button, and a correction towards it. What are you expecting in Canada pair? I expecting nothing but fundamental bullish towards here. This is to be a very good take profit. And it's on the this trade is 99% going to play out. So that's what I'm focusing by next week. Canada Japanese yen and US Japanese yen. That should be my point of focus next week. They are very, very showing clear sign of what they want to do, unlike other pairs that we do not know what they are planning to do. Okay, that is all, guys. If you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe and remember to press the bell icon. Join our Telegram channel. The link of the Telegram channel is in the description of this video. If you want one-on-one mentor, my contact is in the link of this video. If you want VIP section, VIP signals available, contact us. That is all, guys. Bye for now.